Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to customize gestures in your Xiaomi Mijia Smart audio glasses. So at first you need to tap here the gesture settings in the app, Xiaomi Glasses app, when you are connected to your glasses. Gesture settings. Here we have slide back or forwards, left arm, which is this left arm of your glasses, next / previous track. Here right arm, adjust volume. We can easily replace. If you want to adjust volume using the left arm, just tap it here. And if you want to set the next previous track on here, tap here. We can duplicate them, we can manage them, or even set to none. Here they have double tap. Left arm when incoming call. Tap it. Answer and call are none. And so as here. But here they have also stop notification readout. Just select every single one that is over here based on your preferences. That's how it actually works. Goodbye.